Apex is a Caribbean-based special-purpose, not-for-profit agency established by the Caribbean Court of Justice with a mandate to develop and deliver technology-enabled solutions and capacity-building services to support, strengthen, and improve confidence in the Caribbean justice sector.
So Apex is an agency, it's an organization, it has structure, it has teams working on coming up with these solutions. One of the solutions that Apex has developed is a software platform called the Courier Court Management Suite to address these fundamental needs. How are cases filed, how are cases managed, and how is the performance of the court measured? And that is what the Courier Suite does. The Courier Suite gives actual software solutions to each of those specific challenges. When you think about the issue of justice delivery in the Caribbean, Apex matters because Apex has been designed for us. Apex matters because it is based on an intimate understanding of Caribbean society and the challenges that Caribbean society faces.
Innovation doesn't come naturally to justice systems and to judicial officers. And so special effort has to be made to interrogate what new processes, what new technologies can we introduce in order to make the processes more efficient.
Caribbean people want and deserve a justice system that is accessible, efficient, and effective.
And that is at the root or at the foundation of Apex as an institution. For it to be Caribbean, it has to involve the Caribbean. For it to involve the Caribbean, it has to be representative of the diversity of the Caribbean. For it to design its solutions, it has to encourage and engage voices, minds, opinions, and hearts from across the Caribbean.
We now have a system where I could access all my cases on that smartphone. So it's a radical change.
It has, to date, had a remarkable transformation on the way we do business. We have proceeded to eliminate paper, and more than that, we now have an up-to-date, modern case tracking system. And what this has done is that it has brought accountability, and this is an immeasurable advantage.
To be able to manage the process of cases online, the whole process by which judges themselves and the courts can manage performances, it makes for a better justice system.
The system has worked well for us. It was much faster than anything else we've experienced in it, where everything is detailed, outlined. We are quite impressed by it, especially with the efficacy with which curious staff have dealt with us to make sure we get online as quickly as possible.
And with the folio system, even though it is really geared towards lawyers, it can be extended so that ministries and departments can be able to submit their requests for legal opinions to the folio system and be able to follow up on the lawyers and get a timely response.
In the lower office, it forces attorneys to be better organized with their information. And the Courier Suite enables them to better manage the casework that passes through their law firm. It is a beautiful system.
So now we have a platform, a technology solution that helps Apex achieve its goals of improving Caribbean court justice.
Apex has the capacity, because it has already shown its worth in the CCJ, the innovations that are involved in establishing modern court technology will naturally have a critical role to play in enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of courts.